In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IC Markets account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your account number and key details so you can log in and start trading with confidence. The quickest place to find your information is your email inbox. When you first created your account, IC Markets sent a welcome message with your trading credentials. Search your inbox for subjects like Live Account Details or MT4, MT5 Login Details. If you have a lot of messages, try adding the brand name to your search and sort by date to bring the original registration email to the top. Inside that message, you'll see your account number and the server name you'll need when you log in to a trading platform. This is usually the fastest method, and it works even if you haven't logged in for a while. If you find it, consider saving it in a secure folder for easy reference. If you don't see the email right away, or you prefer not to dig through your inbox, you can use the IC Markets client area on the official website. Log into your client area with the credentials you set up during registration. Once you're in, go to the Accounts section, select the trading account you want to check, and open Account Details. Here you'll find your account number, your account type, and the correct server to use in your platform. This area centralizes all your live and demo accounts, which makes it a reliable place to confirm details before you connect MetaTrader. Double-check the server shown here so it matches what you choose when logging in to MT4 or MT5. You can also confirm your information directly inside MetaTrader. Open MT4 or MT5 on your computer, go to the File menu at the top, and choose Login to Trade Account. In that window, your account number is displayed, and you can verify the server you're connecting to as well. If you manage multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you've selected the correct one before you proceed. If you can't find your account details, there are a few quick fixes. Check your spam or junk folders in case the original email was filtered. If you still can't access your information, use the password reset option in the client area to regain access and then review your account details inside. And if you need extra help, reach out to IC Markets support through their official help channels for guidance.